In this video, I want to look at the course request form. This is a multi-purpose form that does everything from creating a completely brand new course using material that exists on the Halton District School Board Learning Management System to adding material to a Trillium created blank shell or adding custom content to any course that exists in the Halton District School Board. So first of all, how do you access this course request form? Looking at the standard My Home page for the Halton District School Board, you'll see this course request button up at the top. Click on that, and now the form is being modified so that you don't have to log into the Halton Cloud. So here's the form. So some standard features: put in your name, it's going to ask you for your Halton District School Board email. And now at this point you can select your course. Now there's some confusion with this. If you already have existing course shells, or you've got something that's kind of custom that you don't know what category to put it in, you can see, hey, here's a list of the courses. If you know it's ENG 3U, that's fine. It doesn't matter whether you're going to be copying custom content or material from the ministry. Just click on that particular code. If it doesn't exist in the list, then you've got a couple of choices. You can say other, or you can choose blank. Blank means absolutely nothing. The second option here, blank course, actually creates a 10-unit template for creating courses. So let's just pick one. Now the next selector seems to be causing a lot of difficulty. You need to identify the type of course. Now this has been designed for e-learning courses. These are fully online, and most of you are not going to be e-learning fully online teachers. Most of you will come under the category regular classroom BL. Some of you might come under credit recovery, but vast majority are going to be BL. Next point, select your school. So you scroll down. All schools in the Halton District School Board should be in this list, including summer school, and it's completely alphabetical order. So let's pretend it's Burlington Central High School, and then continue. Depending on the school you pick, it'll go to either an elementary option or a secondary option. So hit continue. Now, enter in here as best as you can the Trillium section code. Now, if by any chance you go, well, I don't know what my section code is, make sure you put something unique in there. You can even put in, well, I know it's going to be NPM 2D, but I don't know the section number. So you could do as follows. And you could put some crazy section code like 007. A new option that's been added in here is the ability to merge courses together. The Trillium system creates a blank shell for every course you teach. If by any chance you teach 2 sections or more of the same course, you can have them merged together so that the students only come into one particular course. It makes the management a lot easier for you, and they'll be subdivided into separate sections. So maybe you might have And here we go. Here's 2 sections. Get rid of that equal sign in there. And there we go. So you identify the 2 sections. That is a manual option that needs to be changed, and I will see that information and make sure that they come into the course. So usually what I would do is put it into the lowest section number, so that would be the section 01 there that the students would come into. Hit continue. Now, if you have already worked on a course and you want to use it in the next semester, then it's a custom course. You've already worked on it, and so you say yes. So you hit yes and go continue. It's going to tell you what to do. We need 2 pieces of information in order to ensure that the course is identified properly. One is called the OU number, and the second one, course offering code. Now I want you to copy and paste those 2 numbers, and you can see in this video exactly where to find those 2 numbers. So I'll just put something in here. It's going to be a number, so maybe something like, it's probably about 6 digits, and it won't be that high. And the code will be something like B etc. So I won't completely fill that in. I go continue. Now, that's custom content into whatever shell that you would like. If you already have a Trillium created blank shell and you want to copy that material into the Trillium created blank shell, this is going to be the shell the students are going to come into through the Trillium process, and they're going to be added and dropped using Trillium. So if you have it already, then you say yes. If you simply wanted a copy of that custom material that you identified before, say no. So in either case, so if you didn't click custom, it would automatically create a course based on the ministry content, unless you selected blank, and you have a completely blank course too. So if you say yes, it's going to ask you, well, what is the Trillium blank shell code? And so you can find that. Again, the video shows you how to find that information.